Welcome to season 2. We're gonna make siu mai. For the filling, you want 2 tablespoons of the white part of scallions, so we use 2 scallions. And then you put in 13 ounces of ground pork, 3 dried shiitake mushrooms that we diced up, 3/4 tablespoons of salt, 2.5 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine. That's half, right?
I barely do a little more. Okay.
That was too much. I put too much in. And then you mix that up vigorously. And then after like 30 seconds of doing that, put the shrimp in. And then we added napa cabbage, even though the recipe doesn't actually ask for it. Be gentler when you do this mix so that you don't crush up the shrimp. Okay, that's done. That was easy, that was fast. Before we actually make the siu mai, we have to line and prep our steamer because we need somewhere to put them. So you get parchment paper, fold it in half, fold it in half. Now make it a triangle, make it another triangle. Cut the tip off. Then you cut little holes in the front. You find where the middle is. Then you cut around where the middle is. Show me how to do one again? Okay, so circle with your thumb and your finger. Wrapper goes on top like that. Big old spoon of filling. Then you place it on top of it and you just keep stuffing it in. Oh, and then we're just using water to seal the corners down. Well, that looks kind of better than the first one.
Don't go for a look. They're all gonna look different.
Now we steam for 8 minutes. That looks cooked. I thought that some of it was still going to be raw because I feel like 8 minutes is not that long. But they look fine.
Everyone's an individual.
This tastes good. This is good. You want to try one?
Everything you guys make is
Try
good.
that.
Nothing you make is bad.
Say that again?
Nothing you make is bad.
Wow.
I got it on camera. Give me my $20.
Yeah.
Mmm. You sure you make that? You need to buy at a restaurant to put it in there.
Tastes like siu mai, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Homemade from Shaoxing.
Yep.
Oh, I thought you meant you were
Home sing. That's it. Happy Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month.
That's good. Can I take time to work tomorrow?
If you want to.